Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the garden again today. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Everything's growing really nicely. The little barbed trees here seem to be doing well in keeping away the cats. They haven't dug up the little plants here. You can see the ground cherries are doing a lot better. They're growing quite nicely. Some of these tomatoes are doing okay too. They're growing pretty well. And the peppers are looking good. This one's grown really big. There's a couple of other ones here. The marigolds are looking great. Beautiful, nice little flowers. And these little peppers are still hanging in there. Some of them are not really growing too much, but some of them are putting out a lot of new growth and getting a lot bushier and bigger, so that's good. I've staked out more tomatoes because more of them were growing big enough. I have to stake that one too, I just realized. So yeah, things are looking good. I just finished weeding. Took me about a good, I don't know, maybe hour or so to go through it again, but not bad. You know, maybe like once every week or week and a half to do an hour, hour and a half. It's not too bad. So got another beautiful marigold in here. It's looking really nice. Some of the tomatoes have little tomatoes on them already. They're looking really good. Lots of flowers, lots of growth. So yeah, these are doing great. I'm pretty sure we're going to be getting some tomatoes pretty soon. And then some of the squash down here, this is growing nicely. Got another squash here. There's one in there. There's another one on the other side. That one's growing pretty well over there. You can see a flower on it. There's a yellow zucchini right here in the middle. Let me just walk in here. Another benefit of the mulch that you can walk on it. This one has the yellow zucchinis growing on it. You can see them down there. So this one's great. Got a yellow one, got a green one back there in the corner. So I'm pretty happy. Seems like everything's doing really well. You can see more marigolds in here. Everything's looking good. No rain in several days. I don't remember the last time it rained. Must have been, I don't know, at least maybe 4 or 5 days ago. And even then it was a light rain, I think. I can't remember exactly, but it's been a while. And yeah, I just planted some beans in the back here. And soil's nice and moist. Everything's looking good. So yeah, so far so good. The mulch is king. I have yet to see anything that works better for low work and you know, kind of like low impact gardening as far as like water and weeds and everything else. You can really use a lot of the space. You don't have to leave pathways for yourself. You can just walk right on the mulch. It's really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I keep this one as a short video, but I'll have more to come. Stick with me. Make sure to subscribe if you're not signed up, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.